Hi traders, this is Sin with the New Level Trading Report for Tuesday, July 19th. Stocks posted their best day since March today after strong corporate results and renewed hope for an agreement on thorny budget issues boosted investor confidence. The Dow was up 202 points today, the Nasdaq gained 61 points, and the S&P was up 21 points. This is our 15-minute chart of the Dow Jones Index, and as you can see, this high at 12,610 pretty much came right up to around that area, and you can see here this low at the 12,000 basically 300 area. Let's take a look at the daily, and you can see, to me, what's forming now is a bit of a, I'll say, a cup and handle here. This is the cup here, and the possibility now to me is that we look like we at least are going to move up to this 12,759 area, and obviously we're having these blowout earnings on a lot of the big high flyers, so let's wait to see what happens tomorrow. But again, I know Apple has had a blowout day today, and that's after hours obviously, and they're actually halted at this moment. But let's take a look at the S&P futures, and as you can see, as I said, that really nice the bottom at 1291 yesterday, and just a solid trend upward today all day. A really nice move. You can see these pullbacks into the 50-period moving average, but that's just the way I like it. That's the way I like to trade it. This is what we're looking like, and again, starting to look like a little bit of a rounded bottom here, and you can see this area here. So it would be, at least look at this nice, we're on actually average volume, but a nice long, candle here, not a lot of, no wicks or tails, and so this is after hours here, you can see. But if I would think that we're going to try at least to get to this 1352, not overnight, but again, we've got so many earnings coming in this week. It's just going to be really interesting to watch what we do and see if we do test the highs. Let's take a look at the dollar, and again, you can see it sold off, made this, looks like, actually interestingly enough, it looks like a little bit of an inverted head and shoulders here. We had this low and then a lower low and the high, and but then pretty much sold off, so about a 50% retracement here. But again, what's interesting is we still haven't done anything. We haven't moved out of this area. This is a triangle here, and I would call that a ascending triangle, and you can see that we're within that range, this 76.55, and this, I'm just going to guess around the 75 area at least at this point. But you can see we're on a spinning top. Let's take a look at that. But you can see a really solid spinning top on below average volume. So that's what's going on in the market there. Let's take a look at FinViz, and you can see again lots of green and a really nice movement up. Obviously we were up pre-market and just never sold off, a small retracement, and then just ending on the highs. You can see that. This is what we're looking like on the heat map, and you can see just lots and lots of green. Bank of America obviously was down today, and Goldman Sachs as well, but just a terrific day for trading stocks to the upside. Here's the bubble study. Hog had a really nice day. They were up pre-market, up almost 9%. This is Broadcom, BRCM, up about 6.2%. And let's just stretch this out a little bit here. So you can see even the builders, Lennard was up 6.6%. FIV had a really terrific day. They were up 6%. So again, a really nice day for trading stocks to the upside. You can see here's our zero line. So lots of stocks even making that up into this 5% gainer day. So an amazing stock day for trading to the upside. Let's take a look at the downside, and you can see I mentioned yesterday, this is State Street. They had earnings, and banks are just not doing well as we speak, and it was down about 2%. So actually not a horrible day for the banks, even because we had such an up day. Bank of America was down just about 1.5%. So again, here's our zero line here, and you can see just pretty much almost everything to the upside. Let's go back to our home page and take a look at what's going on tomorrow. Let's see here. Actually, tomorrow we just have the mortgage purchase index, the existing home sales, and crude inventories. But the existing home sales should be fairly interesting. And again, you saw that Lennar, it's a building stock. They actually were up in, I'll say, to this announcement tomorrow. So let's take a look at our earnings and do a couple things here to get to that. Here we are here, and what I'll do is go back to this here, And you can see, obviously, this is going to show you as a market cap, and obviously this is Intel, and that's a big one tomorrow. Qualcomm is another. This is Abbott Labs, UTX, which is United Technologies, AXP, that's obviously American Express, MO, that's a cigarette company, Altria. I just call it MO, but it's Altria, I guess. Anyway, EMC, that's another one. It's a data storage company. I'm just kind of going down the list here, but PNC. This is Johnson Controls, this is St. Jude Medical, and let's just kind of move a little bit here, and you can see this is FFIV again tomorrow. But just again, a huge day for earnings tomorrow, so we'll just keep watching that to see what's going on. Thanks again for joining us. We're so glad that you're here. If you have a question about membership or education, give us a call. The number's on our website, www.newleveltraders.com. Have a great evening.